In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a repeating event in the calendar app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your calendar and then just select a date that contains a repeating event. Here it is, it calls test. I can just hit at that event, and now in order to delete it, all I have to do is right here hit at delete event, and there I can select between two different options. The first is delete this event only for that specific date, and the second one is delete all future events. So I can hit there at delete all future events. Now I can go to my calendar, and here, as you can see, all repeating events has been deleted starting from 15th of October, the date I selected before. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.